Tourism in Uttarakhand is one of the first sectors to revive from the pandemic. As soon as the lockdown was lifted, people from cities headed to the hills for a breather. The Golden Tusk at Jim Corbett, Uttarakhand, is our destination for a staycation this time. The Golden Tusk is located at Ramnagar, which also happens to be the nearest railway station to Jim Corbett Park. They offer pickup services if you're coming via train. The Golden Tusk has taken many steps in terms of COVID precaution of its guests. When we entered, our luggage was sanitized separately and delivered to our rooms. We were checked for temperature and sanitizer disposers were fitted from the reception till every room. All the staff wore masks. As boarders, we felt safe here, and that's what mattered. The Golden Tusk is a luxury resort in Jim Corbett with various rooms, suites and villas. The living space in every room is spacious and the bathroom has all modern amenities. It is fully power backed and Wi-Fi enabled. But the beauty of this resort is its landscaping. It has more than 100 varieties of trees and an ever-growing variety of shrubs and bushes. Flowers in surprising shapes and colors and leaves in unique arrangements make it look like a pretty forest. Pathways run all across the area and a mini canal with fancy bridges completes the setting. We loved the road that was lined with weeping willow trees. It looked as if the leaves were raining on us. It is the rainy season anyway, so that completed our monsoon story. Let's face it, there's not much to do in Jim Corbett. The safaris happen in the morning and afternoon. Once you're back from the safari, you're exhausted and all you want to do is fuel yourself up. The Golden Tusk lays very elaborate buffets for their guests during breakfast, lunch and dinner. The breakfast comprises English items such as milk cereal, omelettes, boiled eggs, baked beans, sausages and bakery. To balance that, they have Indian favorites such as dosa, idli, thepla, chole bhature, puri aloo, paratha, poha, so on and so forth. The good chefs at the Golden Tusk had decided to treat us to a sumptuous lunch of Kumaoni special items.
So we are waiting for a Kumaoni lunch. We are like kind of regulars at Uttarakhand, so every couple of months we land up at Uttarakhand. All our travels have been way more experiential, and Uttarakhand has somewhat discovered the beauty of its own culture, and then it is like once you realize your own beauty, you want to spread it, right? So they are spreading it to visitors like us. We are happy to sort of accept. Kumaoni food is simple, straightforward, not very ornamental. To me, it's very soul food.
When you have madhve ki roti, madhva is like ragi roti instead of wheat roti, then it becomes way healthier. The flavors are unique but still familiar.
Yeah.
So the ingredients are familiar, but the way of cooking is a little different than it is in Delhi NCR.
We are expecting dishes such as bhat ki churkani and madhve ki roti, as Sandeep mentioned.
Bhang ki chutney.
Yeah, how could I forget?
Pahadi raita and aloo ke gutke, which is going to be cooked live in front of us. So let's just go there and check out what chef is doing.
So that we can start on this.
लंच में मेन्यू क्या है शेफ बताओ?
सर आज का मेनू में हमारा स्नैक्स में कुछ तैयार किया हुआ है, चिकन लटपटा। दूसरा ये तो भुटवा, ये सर हमने कुकर का भात तैयार किया हुआ है। भटका जोला हम बनाते हैं, ये भी हमारा ट्रेडिशनल फूड है और हर घर में यूज़ किया जाता है। गहत की दाल ये हार्ट के लिए बहुत बढ़िया होती है।
अच्छा।
कड़ी पकौड़ा, ये हमारा कुमावनी रहता है। कुकुम्बर, मस्टर्ड सीड, टर्मरिक, ये सारा मिश्रण होता है। हरी मिर्च, धनिया। ये हमारा भट की चुटकानी है सर। ये भट की चुटकानी साबुत ब्लैक बीन जो होती है उसको भून के घी में, उसके बाद इसके साथ ग्रेवी बनाई जाती है।
और ये सब
ये सब इंग्रेडिएंट है, ये अभी हम लाइव कुकिंग करेंगे सर।
अच्छा अच्छा।
तो इसमें हम सारे इंग्रेडिएंट डालेंगे। जी सर, आज हम बनाते हैं बढ़िया स्वादिष्ट अपना उत्तराखंड का एक ट्रेडिशनल पालक का कापा।
पालक का कापा।
पालक का कापा
दिस इज एक्चुअली न्यू फॉर अस, है ना? हमने कुमाऊं में पालक का कापा नहीं ट्राई करा है।
जी जी।
दिस इज द फर्स्ट।
अब ये हमारा पालक का कापा तैयार होने वाला, थोड़ा सा पकने के लिए हमने अलग से रख दिया है। तब तक हम आइए फिर एक स्वादिष्ट एक डिश बनाते हैं, आलू कुमाऊनी।
इसको कैसे खाया जाता है?
ये सर एक यहाँ पे उत्तराखंड में एक स्नैक्स,
अच्छा, अपने आप ही मतलब
स्नैक्स में भी यूज करते हैं,
हाँ।
सब्जी में भी यूज करते हैं।
होली में बहुत चलता है सर।
अच्छा,
हमारे यहाँ।
ओके।
होली के टाइम पे जिस घर में जाएंगे आप, आलू के गुटके दे विल सर्व।
अच्छा
और उसके अलावा गुड़ सर्व होता है।
अच्छा।
मिठाई में गुड़ और
सेवरीज में ये आलू के गुटके।
आलू के गुटके।
आइए अब एक और ट्रेडिशनल फूड हम कुमाऊं का बनाते हैं, वो है भांग की चटनी। ये हमारी भांग की चटनी तैयार हो गई है।
ओके।
सर्व करेंगे सर भात और कापा के साथ।
We've been waiting for this moment for so long. Our mouths are watering. We've been smelling all kind of mixed smells of roasting and cooking that it's very difficult to contain ourselves. So here, what all do we have on our Kumauni thali here? Kari pakoda. There's bhatke churkani, the signature dish from Uttarakhand. Aloo ke gutke. In breads, we have this madwe ki roti and gehu ki roti, along with rice. What do you have? So I am going vegetarian today. So this is my vegetarian thali. But Kumauni food is not limited to vegetarian food.
In non-veg, we have this goat dish, which is called bhutwa, murg latpata, so it looks rather spicy. Bhang ki chutney, it's tasty and it's a great dip. Mooli ka kassa, grated
Basically,
radish.
grated radish.
So that's like a salad. And we have cucumber slices, and there's pahari raita.
And this palak ka kapa.
So bon appetit
Bon appetit.
to us.
The Kumauni food experience here made our trip a real gastronomical journey to Uttarakhand this time. Tomorrow we are going to relish fancy continental food. Do check out the next part of this video. Make sure you have subscribed to Delhi Fundus and please press the bell icon to be notified of our next videos.